This is the Silvia front end. Well, one of the fenders. Had to strip it down to bare metal. Because you can still see here, look how thick the paint was, man. There's like 4 layers of paint on this thing. Stripped it all down. Then, so I've been doing that for like a week and a half. It's been taking a minute.
This one too.
Yeah, so I have both fenders pretty much ready to go. This one still needs a little bit of sanding and just make sure it's good. Just trying to do this shit FEF spec, you know. There was a huge dent here. Bondoed over that. Got most of it out. There was also like a door ding here. Just bondoed that back to, I hammered and dollied it and then put some more bondo on it. So it looks better than before, so that's the only goal. So today what we gotta do is a little bit more sanding. We gotta fix this split. So there's a split, I don't even know what that would be from. There's a split here, and then there's a split right here. So my game plan for that was just, we'll put like some packing tape over here, and then flip this over, lay some fiberglass, wait for that shit to dry, and then we'll just bondo over top of the splits on the front. And yeah, so as far as sanding goes, it's pretty much ready to go. Have to take some more paint off in the wheel well and then just rough up the edges everywhere else so the paint doesn't start peeling. But yeah, got this one all sanded last night. Still through the bumper too. Fuck, but I don't think the bumper will be that bad. It looks like it's just like factory black, so these fenders were like 10 different colors. It was fucked, but after we get these all prepped, I don't think we're gonna primer them today because it's gonna be way too dusty in here and shit, but I'll probably primer them on Friday. Might film it, and then
comment if you want us to film it.
Yeah, if you want us to film, like, I don't know. There's not really much point in filming primering them, but once we actually paint them, we'll film that. Got the WKO paint code, man. Just 3-stage pearl, gonna be fucked, but figure it out. If anyone's ever painted with the 3-stage before, let us know. And
man, what the fuck?
But yeah, so we'll get going. It's like 9 in the morning. Me and Adam both have school at 6, so a little bit of a time crunch here.
Time crunch? What is that? Fucking 9 hours?
Man, people don't know it takes us literally a fucking like 3 days to do a 1-day job, so.
Wow, good install. Who the fuck hung this in the way of the garage door, man?
Okay, so we got fucking... Okay, now we have a bar battery. There's some rust here. Just gonna wire wheel it out. Doesn't get any worse once we put paint on it. Why does that smell so bad?
It smells like burning shit, man.
No, it smells like a certain type of food. Like, not a good food.
Brussels sprouts?
No, it's like some sus pasta.
Sus pasta?
No, it does smell like... Not asparagus. Actually, maybe.
You know, it smells like Brussels sprouts, man.
Yeah, it does.
Wow, good metal sanding implement.
Yes. Okay, so now the wheel well should be good enough. Just gonna give this a quick scuff. Take off all the shit that's flaking. And then probably either lay fiberglass. Yeah, lay fiberglass on this one. And then that one needs to be sanded some more and some more bondo.
Oh, wow. Banners? Wow. Shift knobs? Wow. Some shirts? Wow. Shift knobs? Wow. Plate frames? Wow. Keychains? Wow. Flags? Wow. Where's the packing tape?
would you ever fucking do that? Okay, so before we lay fiberglass, we noticed some rust on the back of this, so we're just gonna quickly wire wheel it. Okay. Should be good right there. Decent. Nice. Is that flush? That's a
30
lot.
drops? That
No,
can't be right.
10 drops it said.
Still sounds like a lot. That's gonna be like almost 50-50.
Fuck, I don't know. That's probably like an ounce.
No idea.
Fuck if I know. I don't know how many that was. I don't think it was 10.
That was a lot.
It was less than 10, that's for sure.
Oh, almost a professional. Grab that other vice grip that's in there.
What are you doing, Colby? Studying for math.
Is your exam tomorrow?
Thursday.
I have my Excel theory tomorrow.
That was harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Dude, for my cheat sheet, I just put everything from the theory assignment and the 3 quizzes.
Got a formula shit.
We need formulas for the theory? I don't know the practical.
Theory.
Yeah.
I didn't even write anything down in theory, man. Man, never I noticed, Noah? Some bitch was still working on the exam, like after the class, during
We're
the
gonna
access
put
part.
another piece on them? Some people get extra time.
This is like the first thing I've like car related I've like actually taken my time on. So hopefully that actually works out.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Alrighty, let this dry and we'll come right back.
Yeah.
Let this harden, I guess.
Yeah, I gotta go wash my hands, I'm sure. Yes, sir. Hopefully these turn out.
This one looks pretty good, so does this one.
I've literally spent, like, we bought the car, what, 2 weeks ago? Brought the fenders home, like, 2 days after. And I've been working on shit. I'm gonna start sanding the front bumper, actually. Alright, so we laid that. We're waiting for the fiberglass to dry. Might as well start working on the bumper. I think I said earlier, this looks like just factory black, so I'm just gonna scuff it up. I'm not gonna take all the paint off. So I'll save some time there. So I guess we'll get going on it. If anyone has these like grill pieces, let me know. Those are missing for some reason.
This one?
Yeah, there's like those like fins that go in.
Yeah, kind of vent looking thing.
Yeah. Okay, so it's still a little tacky. Actually, that's probably solid enough. What do you think? Give it a feel.
That's good.
Alright, so we're gonna pull the clamp off, turn it around, and see if it's lined up properly.
Okay, Noah. Fingers crossed.
Lined up pretty good.
Not bad.
You see?
Oh yeah.
This needs to be like... That's like flush too, that's not bad. Decent.
And that was the one you were worried about being lined up, right?
Well, this one is literally right here, but I don't think it'll matter. Let's see. the reveal. If this actually worked, let's see. Decent. I'd say that's mint.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's some nice work, man.
Nice, man.
It's like,
God damn it.
Yeah, that tripod sucks. We should probably invest in something better.
Yeah, buy our merch so we can buy tripods so this doesn't happen.
Yeah, we're dropping. Adam and I were talking last night. We're thinking we're gonna drop on the 14th, so Valentine's Day.
Yeah, Valentine's Day. All the stuff. Our gloves are en route. We had some problems there at the old customs, eh?
Yeah, so the gloves are
Sorting
coming on the
that
10th, and then we just gotta take pictures of everything, work on the website for a little bit, and then we'll be dropping. Gloves, driving gloves, shift knobs in black and white, banners, keychains, the Bori flags. What?
Plate frames.
Plate frames. We've restocked the rain guards, the mirror visors.
New vinyls and banners.
I think we have like 6 new vinyls, a couple new slaps, yeah, banners.
Also, the gloves come in red, blue, and black.
Yeah, that's gonna be fucking sick, dude.
Yeah, I can't wait to get my hands in some of them. I'm gonna be like,
No doubt.
slide them in. Then I can grip shit, man. I'll be like,
This actually turned out pretty good. I'm
yeah,
surprised.
not bad.
Didn't
Wow.
even do any research. I was just fully winging
My
it.
armpit's itchy.
These still need to be sanded a little bit more. I might lay some bondo on this one just right here. From when it was rolled, it's kind of wavy.
Shut up, Scarlett.
This one needs bondo still. I'm gonna do like another layer just right here, just for safeties. And it needs to be sanded a little bit more. I scuffed up the bumper, so that should be fine. I'll lay some bond over a couple rock chips and then we'll paint it. It's coming together, man.
Yeah, man. You excited?
Yeah. I need to order, because you can see this part right here is fucking missing. You can see on this one, the light brace or bracket is on there. It's not on this one. So there's a company that makes like a thing that'll just mount the light to the actual chassis of the car. So I need to order that. Need to order the clear
Corner markers.
corner lights, and then clear headlight covers because one of mine has a crack, so I'm just going clears. And then primer these, paint them, put them on, get the front end all installed, and then we'll paint strip the hood and paint that white too.
Nice.
And then we're gonna pull the engine, I think, in like, not this weekend, but next week, 2 weeks from now, sometime around then. And we'll see if it's usable, man.
The engine?
Well, the cylinder walls are still intact.
Yeah.
Gonna need to get a new crankshaft and shit. But
Yeah.
yeah, man. It's coming together.
Nice.
I'm surprised this worked out how it did.
Nice.
Sick. Didn't even have to fucking schwelder, eh?
No.
Yeah, I think that's it. If we keep filming, it's just gonna be the same shit for like another 10 minutes, so. Sanding's not fun to watch, but you guys asked to see a little video on where this was at. It's almost done. Probably primer them on Friday, I'd say. We've got a math test on Thursday, so I probably should have been studying for that today, but
Yeah, I got an Excel test tomorrow too.
that's a hard one. It's a fucking doozy, man.
Excel. It's so fun.
Yeah, it fucking sucks.
Well, if you're getting tested in Excel.
Anyways, yeah, stay tuned for the front end swap video we'll do, and then we'll do, stay tuned for the drop too. It's coming soon.
Yeah.
And pull the KA. Rebuild videos.
Yeah, we're gonna DIY it.
Yeah. I've watched like at least 6 hours of
YouTube.
KA rebuild videos, so yeah, rebuild the engine. Everything goes alright, break it in. Boost it, man.
Boost.
KA turbo.
Wow.
Wow.
We'll do some rust repair on 8.6 because rust repair never ends in that fucking car.
Yeah, we started working on the trunk of the 8.6.
Yeah, I repaired one side of the where the hatch closes, where water was getting in. Gotta do the other side.
Deleted the rear corner markers too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the 8.6 is coming together as well. We're gonna rebuild that engine too.
Yeah.
More rust repair. Adam figures he's gonna fucking extend the arches somehow.
Yeah, I'm gonna go wide in the rear.
That's gonna be just a fucking.
Well, I don't care, because if it doesn't work out, then I'm just gonna cut them off and run fender flares, but I'd rather... Okay, fucking close this out. Comments on.
Okay, hopefully this video turned out alright. Hopefully it was decent to watch. Yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the shit on the Silvia front. The 240, the 8.6, the new drop. And like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one, you know? Fucking skidoo, man.
Should they call me? Call me your favorite brand of power tools. I like Makita. You're ripping Milwaukee.
It's pretty shit.
Milwaukee?
Yeah.
Dude, my Makita kind of goes, eh?
Or with DeWalt kind of guy.
DeWalt shit, man.